Welcome Internet people. I am Vic from Victory Woodworks. You're watching my inaugural video on this channel. In this video I'll attempt to explain what I'm trying to accomplish here. For those of you who are impatient, that is to have some fun, share some knowledge with all you peeps. Full disclaimer, I'm a one-man in a one-man shop making stuff. I'm not an expert in anything, just ask my wife. What you see here in the background around me is my workshop. I work out of a one-car garage. It's a long one-car garage. It's about 12 feet wide by about 30 feet long, although it feels a whole lot smaller. Ceilings here are about 7 feet tall, maybe less. At some point I will do a full workshop video if you guys are interested. If you aren't, let me know down below. What sort of experience do I have? Well, I've been building things all my life. Recently I've been making quite a few cutting boards and sharing them with family and friends. My wife asked me, why don't you try and sell a few? So I thought about it and thought, hey, why not? My plan with this project is to have a new video, either build, a tool review, or other every week or so. Over time, I'm sure that my video and editing skills will improve, so hang in there in the beginning, it'll get much better. What do I get out of this? For me, this is a journey through woodworking, videography, social media, technology, and starting up a small business while working full-time. What do you Internet peeps get out of this? I will share that journey with you and hope you will enjoy and possibly learn something new along the way. I would like to make the journey interactive. If you have any questions or constructive comments, emphasis on constructive, please leave them in the comment section below or send me an email to info@victorywoodworks and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you like the idea of what I'm trying to do here, click that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified of future videos. According to all the other YouTubers, those clicks will help this video get seen by more viewers, so please help me out. This is Vic from Victory Woodworks. See you in the next video.